Morning students, myself Dr. T. Sales Rama Perumal, Associate Professor, Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering. Today we are going to discuss about something about introduction to Internet of Things. First of all, we're going to see about what is IoT. IoT stands for Internet of Things. IoT is a network of physical objects or things embedded with electronics, software, sensors, and network connectivity that allows these objects to collect and exchange data. It refers to the interconnected of physical devices such as appliances and vehicles that are embedded with software, sensors, and connectivity, which enables these objects to connect and exchange data. This technology allows for the collection and sharing of data from a vast network of devices, creating opportunities for more efficient and automated systems. And a very simple example for IoT is a light bulb that can be switched on and off from miles away using a mobile devices. A motion sensor inside of is combined with a thermistor and display which provides temperature, ambient lighting, and presence inside a conference room at regular intervals is another example of IoT devices. And the simple characteristics of IoT is a dynamic and self-adapting, self-configuring, interoperable communication protocols, unique identity integrated into information networks. Why we go for IoT? With the development of technologies like machine-to-machine communication and widespread of internet communications over long distance become possible. This useful exchange of information across the globe with minimal human intervention leads to an innovation concept called Internet of Things, where objects present themselves as a digitally forming large networks of connected devices that can be communicated over the internet. Common comprising IoT. IoT contains the hardware parts and software parts. IoT hardware. These include sensors, microcontrollers, devices for control servers, and edge or gateway. IoT software. It includes mobiles and web applications that are possible for data collections, devices integration, real-time analysis, and application and process extension. And the components of IoT. The major components of IoT are sensor and actuators, connectivity gateway, analytics, cloud, artificial intelligence, and user interface. Sensors and actuators. Sensing devices which interact with the environment and actuator for turning energy into motion. And connectivity, a communication channel through which devices can communicate and share the information. Analytics, data coming from devices and servers is converted into a format that is easy to read and process. Cloud IoT generates a lot of data, and cloud platform allows us to store, process, and IoT data. Automation and automation provides better control over the system and help us achieve a real potential of technology. The IoT life cycle, which contains collect, communication, analytics, and action. Collect the life cycle of the IoT starts with collecting data from different sources deployed in a particular region. And communication, this phase involves secure and reliable transfer of data. Root switches and firewalls technologies plays a vital role in establishing communication between devices. Analysis, this phase is important part of the IoT life cycles. In this phase, data collected from different sensor devices are collected and analyzed based on this use case to extract some useful information. Action. This is the final stage of IoT lifecycle. Information obtained by analysis of sensor data is activated upon proper action. Then this is the evaluation of Internet of Things. First, before the internet, human to human interaction will be possible, and Internet of Connected is the help of the World Wide Web, and Internet of Service is the help of Web 2.0. Internet of People is from the social media. Internet of Things will be machine to machine communication. So the evolution of Internet of Things. The world is indexed that we will use the classify and identify the things that surround us. For example, the photos that we take have ever more frequently the location of the photographer, and the photos can be organized according to the location using global Google Earth. To monitor any objects connected to internet, there is a platform called Fungible that makes it possible for sensors connected to the internet to send data about themselves and make them viewable in different ways that can be over time according to phase, but above all to trigger actions when certain values are reached.